Hi everyone, today I want to recommend the best Esim application for Luxembourg, and you can find the link to it in the description below this video. I've tried many other Esim applications and this one is the best in my opinion. So just simply click on the link in the description and download and open the app. If you use the link in the description, you will get $7.50 bonus, which is crazy a lot. So now to buy your Esim, you need to click on Esim shop here and choose Luxembourg. Here it is, and here choose the best offer for you. I will choose 1 GB for 7 days. Click on I confirm, and here I can choose how much bonus points I want to spend. As you can see, it's even bigger than half of the price, which is crazy a lot. Click on new card, and here we need to add our payment information. Once you've done that, you're ready to go and your eSIM will be activated. So that's it. With excellent coverage, competitive prices, and huge welcome bonus, you will definitely like this app, so be sure to try it out. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.